What do you think Daddy's got, huh? What do you think? Fix your ear for Grandma. Come here. Hey, what do you think Daddy's got? Huh? What has he got for you? Hey, Frankie, come on. You know that's for you, don't you? Come on, come over here. Sit down. Okay, now you just wait, okay? Because Daddy will bring it to you. You know, every year this is for you, huh? Back. Get back. 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 Alright, what is it? Is that from Grandma? What is it? Wait, back. Back, Frankie. Back. Wait a minute. No, Trent, there might be something there she can't eat. Frankie, make her sit.
Frankie, sit. Sit. Stay.
Okay.
Stay.
I'm gonna look first. You, Trent.
Sit. Stay.
It's okay, Frank. Wait.
Stay. Back.
Frankie, wait.
Wait.
Let's see if her name's on it.
Frankie, wait.
Just a minute, Frank.
Frankie, stop it.
You're making this kind of difficult, Trent.
Well, I want to see what's going on. Frankie, off.
Frankie, back.
Frankie, back.
Hey.
Back. Here, keep this up.
Make her behave.
Get up. Back. Frankie, back. Take this out. This is not something for her.
Holy cow, Laura.
Back. Here, Michelle.
Frankie, get back.
Back. Frankie, back.
Look at her. Frankie, she knows this is her Grandma.
Take that.
Oh, my goodness. Wait, Frank. Oh, wait. Here. Come over here. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Here's another one. To Frankie.
Oh, Frankenstein. Look what Grandma's done. What is that? Frankie, what you got? What you got, huh? What you got? Huh? Is that from Grandma? Frankie, say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh, no way. Grandma got this one. Uh-oh. Trent. Grandma, take a look right here at the favorites in the pile. Do you see that? Grandma's very good to you, huh? She's very good to Frankie. Oh! Look at her. Look at her. What do you got? Now Mariah can have the other one. Frankie, what you got? Uh-oh. Come on, let's go. What do you got? Now Mariah gets this one, huh? Now Mariah can have this one? Oh, you want both of them, huh? You goofy. Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Frankie, what do you say? Say thank you, Grandma. What you doing? What's the purple toy? A snake? Spoiled puppy. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, oh my gosh. Frankie, move. Oh, thank you, Laura. Oh, that's my baby at 28 days old. Oh, and I love the frame. Thank you so much. Trent's opening presents early. Oh, look at... No, Frankie, you can't eat from that bowl. Oh, Laura, you do such great work. Look at that. Trent, I don't know if you're supposed to open these early. Oh, my God. No.
Be careful what you do.
Oh, these are so cute. Where in the world did you ever find those candles? No, Frankie, get back. Frankie, get back. Get. Get. Frankie, Frankie. Oh. So cute. Get the other leaf that I have up there so she can see that. I'll add it to my... Look, this is the one I have on my TV. So now I have a set. Frankie, it's just not about you. Go. Frankie. Thank you. All that talent in one little body. See, remember this one? Thank you. Do you understand that I have to listen to that Santa now 24 hours a day? Ugh. She's obsessed with it. Look at that baby face. Is that the cutest puppy in the whole wide world? Drinking. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Don't know which one to play with first. Oh, she's gonna lay on top of Santa. Oh, she's got to touch all of them. She's smothering. Can you hear? She's smothering him. You're so naughty. She's got them both in her mouth. You think you made her a little happy? Frankie, say, thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Fix your ear.
I'll fix her ear so Grandma can see how pretty she is. You big doofus. Frankie, say hi, Grandma. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, Grandma. We want to go to Colorado to see you. We want to go. You want to go see Grandma? You want to go live with Grandma? Huh? What do you think? Hey, Frankie. Frank. We want to go see Grandma? Huh? We'll go? She's looking at you to see if you're grabbing the lead. You're not going anywhere. You got your babies. Look at her. She's like, are you getting something, Dad? Are we going? Frankie. Hey, good girl. Frank. What a good girl. What a good girl. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Laura. I love everything. You do beautiful work. This will be put to use right away. As you know, I use all your stuff all over my house. And in my camper. She thinks she's going to Grandma. She's chasing Dad for the lead. There she goes. Oh. Give Grandma a kiss. Come here, Frankie. Give Grandma a kiss. Give her a kiss. Come on. Give Grandma a kiss. Not a headbutt. Give Grandma a kiss. Come on. Bye, Grandma. Love you.